Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Golf R. It's a Golf with a pinch of racing mixed in for good measure. Tasty! This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.